Fresh, here is your Thursday workout. This is a repeat workout, one we did 2 years ago, a little over 2 years ago. There's a workout out there called Air Force One. Air Force One is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10 of unbroken double unders. So you do 10 unbroken double unders, rest how long as you need, do 20, rest as long as you need, do 30, etc. But they have to be unbroken. So if on the set of 40, you do 35 double unders and you trip, you have to go back to 0 and do that 40 all over again. You cannot pass go, you cannot collect $200 until you've done the double unders unbroken. As I was looking at this morning, I think I changed it and modified the workout, and being that this is a repeat, I'm gonna have to go back and look. So this might change a little bit by Thursday and kind of go back to the original state. That way those that have scores put in here, like Jody, Tammy, Josh Shoesby has a score, and Dan. There's a few people that have scores in here that if they want to see if they've gotten better, the workout needs to be the same. Anyway, so it might change a little bit, but the premise will still be there. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take 10 minutes to warm up to find a max push press. 10 minutes, 10 minutes only to find a max push press. So from the rig, dip, drive that bar overhead, no 2 dips, 10 minutes only. It's not going to be 20 minutes because you might not find your true max. You might find something really, really heavy. And that's kind of the goal, is to find something really heavy, but probably not a maximal lift. If it is, you might have to back off a little bit, because then after we take 10 minutes to find our max, every minute, on the minute, you can do 1 rep at that weight you just found. So if your max push press is 100 pounds that you just found, maybe your max, lifetime max is 120, and the max you just found over here is 100. Every minute you'll do 1 push press at 100 pounds for 10 minutes. After that, we'll put everything away, and then we'll go out to the floor and we're gonna do this double unders, or Air Force One meets Annie. So you'll come out for RX Plus, you have to do 10 unbroken double unders and then 15 ab mat sit-ups. And that's where I think I might have changed it. It might have been 10. Anyway, I'm gonna look at that to make sure I have the ab mat sit-ups parts right. For RX Plus, you do 20 double unders, 15 ab mat sit-ups, 30 sit-ups, 40 sit-ups, etc., all the way throughout, but the double unders must be unbroken for RX Plus. So if you get to that set of 50 and you do 49 double unders, you trip, you gotta go back to 0 and do 50 again. RX is just gonna be double unders, 10, 15 ab mat sit-ups, 20, 15 ab mat sit-ups, etc. They do not need to be unbroken. Just do your double unders, work on those double unders, do the sit-ups, work on those double unders, do the sit-ups. RX2 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 single unders, but between each set you'll do 10 attempts at double unders just to practice those, and 10 sit-ups. So that might actually be a longer workout. Your singles don't have to be unbroken, but you're doing singles. Between every set you're gonna practice double unders and do 10 sit-ups. So fewer sit-ups, but you have to spend more time on that jump rope practicing those double unders. So get a little heavy with the push press, and then spend some time with that jump rope and some ab mats. Watch that monkey burn. I think they call it a monkey burn. Anyway, have a good Thursday.